was his memory.
I know, I hit Mark. 1 minute.
Hey guys, Brian here. Oh. Almost. Just stepped on my tortoise. Hey guys, Brian here, and today we're going to be making a post-workout shake. Because you know, it's summer, we're all trying to get in shape, myself included, and it's a good idea to drink, eat, consume. It's a good idea to consume. It's a good idea to consume something before or after a workout to gain or just prepare yourself for it by getting those gains, honestly. Carbohydrates, calories, you need that energy, so that's exactly what we're going to make today. This recipe is a variant off of something that I found on a 2006 website, so it's really old. The only different part about it is the raw eggs, so yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And with that in mind, let's begin. So what you're going to want to do first is do a workout. Well, you could actually do this before you actually start the workout, but for today's purposes, we're going to do the workout first. So I'll see you guys in a jiffy, and see ya. Alright guys, I'm back and got a decent workout in. And then I I biked to the grocery store to get some extra ingredients I may need, such as honey, an apple, and 2 of these nectarines. So nectarines, I actually don't know how, but they look good. They look sweet. I've probably eaten them before. And before we do any of this, of course, especially if you're doing this right after a workout like I am, I just wash yourself up a bit. Man, I got bleach on me. Alright, so what you're going to want to do first, get some honey, get 2 eggs. Any variety will do, just make sure they're large enough. So these are grade A large brown eggs, no work. An apple, nectarine, banana, peanut butter of the smooth variety, and the last ingredient, probably, I'm not even sure, some oats. So after you have all that, you're going to get a machine of ripping stuff apart, wash it through, make sure it's all clean. And of course, we're getting one more very basic thing. Milk. And of course, a cup for serving your post or pre-workout masterpiece. Now please remember to not confuse your cutting knife with your working knife, because these have been in places that you probably wouldn't want in your mouth. So let's just put that aside by now and start cooking. Alright, so remember to wash your fruit, wash your nectarines, apples, banana, egg, other egg, honey, oats, peanut butter. Once you wash all that and make sure your ingredients are all clean, it's time to actually start cutting. So you're going to want your banana first. Now you may say, Brian, well, did you know that monkeys cut their banana like this? Well, I'm not a monkey, am I? Not now, at least. So cut your banana into slices, or just drop it in. In fact, let's just cut half of it in, and then the other half there. Make sure to not put that thing there. Can't believe I used to eat this little thing when I was younger. So cut a whole banana there. Next up, you're gonna get your nectarine. Cut that. I don't know how you cut a nectarine, so let's just cut it. It's like an apple. And yes, a cutting board is advisable. Like everything I've washed before, cut that too. So you're gonna cut your nectarine there. Next, you cut your apple. It's not how you cut apples, actually. Guys, make sure you actually practice safety when cutting. I don't want you guys accidentally just messing with you. But seriously though, practice safe cutting practices, such as not cutting towards you, putting the knife towards your neck, running with the knife, doing stuff that you shouldn't with the knife. So after you put about half an apple there, you're gonna want to put a oh shit, a teaspoon of honey. I don't know if that's a teaspoon, but you know, we're not exactly, actually we are professional chefs. You and I are chefs. And put some peanut butter in there. A teaspoonful, preferably, or just same amount that you did for honey. You're gonna put that same amount in for peanut butter. Now this looks really gross, and it probably is. Then you're gonna put some milk in. You're gonna put in a cup of milk, 1 cup to 2 cups of milk. This is probably 2 cups. It's a pretty big mug, palms. Then put it in with everything. Once you do that, and this is honestly the only exotic part about this. Gonna put some raw fucking eggs in there. 1, and if you remember my egg cracking video, I've mastered the art of cracking eggs with 1 hand. So then you have this. You have this blend of egg, fruit, peanut butter. It's full of gains. This is, so ignore the ears of corn. So ignore the corns I have here. And anyways, let's start blending. So I don't know what type of blender you guys use, but just make sure you put good. Since I'm recording with 1 hand and 1 hand on the thing, it's preferable to put 1 hand on top of the thing, of the lid, so it doesn't blow off. Mach speed approaching. Ah! 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 Snowy! My dog's looking at me like right now, like, what the heck, Brian? You see, I don't know what I've created, but you're gonna watch me. You're gonna watch me drink this all. Well, not all of it, of course. This is around 3 servings right here. So share it with a buddy if you have a workout partner or someone. Just share it with them, and it should be all good. I forgot. Yeah, after you finished blending it, of course you're gonna serve it. So let's do a cup of this mix. Oh yeah, it actually smells pretty good. It smells like a workout shake, really. So in an effort to not take a long time here, I'm just gonna drink it out here, so see how it is. It's actually not bad. You can actually taste the gains. That was surprisingly really good. Just note, be careful, raw eggs can potentially have salmonella, but I've heard it's 1 in every 200,000, but still, watch out. I'm not responsible. I'd like to be not responsible for any salmonella injuries that occur if you make this recipe, but overall really good. A lot of calories though, so make sure you do a workout beforehand or after this if you want, and yeah. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Have a good day, good night, wherever you are, wherever you guys are. It's about to rain, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.